So discoloration of our teeth can be caused by certain foods and drinks such as coffee or tea and by smoking. And with increasing age, usually the teeth become darker. VivaStyle Paint On Plus is a bleaching system that works with a brush. So the varnish is directly applied on the tooth with that brush. Then the active ingredient, hydrogen peroxide, is releasing oxygen, and the oxygen is then effectively bleaching the teeth. So the varnish is drying on the tooth and is then kept on the tooth for about 10 minutes before it is removed with a normal toothbrush. So the user can choose between a 1 week or a 2 week application during which all the teeth become bright and nice again.